Hi, it's Therese from Lostinpaper, and I have some fabulous florals to share with you today. These are part of the new release from Altenew. This is May 2018, and it's one of their sort of almost watercolour looking layering stamp flower sets. That didn't come out very well. That didn't come out very well at all. Anyway, I'll continue. I have shared a few of these videos recently on my YouTube channel, and what I've been doing is making multiples of my layered floral images. That was heaps better with my Misty tool. Now you could also do this with Stamp-A-Majig, and actually I might make a video. I probably won't be able to do it before I go away, but when I get back maybe showing how to do that. But what I like to do is actually make a stack of flowers all at once. You can change up the colors if you want, so that you could do one sheet of flowers one color and one group of colors, and another sheet another group of colors. Today I did all the same color except for the final shades, where I just sort of mix it up a little bit. To line up, there's 4 layers in these flowers. Actually there's 4 layers to the base of the flower, and then there's a shadow layer and a couple of center layers as well. That's why it's worth setting it up and doing a stack at once, because they are so beautiful. And it does take a little bit of time, but to be honest, when I colour, it takes me a long time to colour something too. So if you think about it, it's probably not a lot of difference time-wise, especially when I speed up the video like this. So the flowers here, I'm using the 4 different colours from the Tea Party set, and these are really pretty colours. It's almost like a peachy pink. It's called, the base one was Pink Pearl, then it was Coral Bliss, Heartbeat's a really nice bright red, that was the 3rd layer, and my final shadow layer is the Vineyard Berry. But after that I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. I thought about coming in with the greys, and I wanted to keep it a little bit warmer. So what I did choose was the Espresso Brown, and I thought that was a bit dark, but when it dried I actually preferred that one, and the Mocha. So just a couple of browns, and the center of the flowers were Lava Rock and the black for the very dark last part. The leaves are really pretty. I made the 3 layers of each leaf was the Seashore set, and I used Mountain Mist, Volcano. Oh no, I didn't use the Volcano, I used Lagoon and the Emerald. So my card front today, I decided to stamp directly on it with the new Rustic Linen. This is a new background stamp set, and I have got the limestone ink, and I have tucked the stamp directly to the edge of the Misty, and I know it's not going to stamp perfectly, because if I wanted to cover the whole front of my card, I would have had to move the paper away from the actual edge of the Misty. So I knew I was going to sacrifice just the very edge and the base of the card here, but I can just easily cut those off after. And this is just giving me sort of a subtle pattern in the background. I took the word amazing out of the same stamp set, and I'm just stamping that on some white cardstock, and then I'm just going to cut that out. And then I decided to pop up my flowers just using some foam dots and some glue dots I used as well. I haven't got the coordinating dies for this set, so I just fussy cut them out. And when I cut my leaves out, if I fussy cut them, I actually leave like a tab at the end of the leaf, and that way I can add my glue, and then if I wanted to, I can pop up the end of my leaf with a foam dot, or just add some tape runner behind it, depending on whether I wanted it to sit off the card or directly onto the card base. Aren't these flowers just beautiful? I think they'd look great in any of the Altenew combination of colours. And here's another alpha set. I was so excited about this one. It's called Fine Alphabet Die Set, and it is fine. It is really modern, and the letters aren't too large and they're not too small. They can really make a statement on your card, and I thought I'd just do a couple of letters, and I'm going to be saying "you are amazing" and be able to add those directly onto over my flower image. I know that freaks some people out, but why not? So this is part of a release and part of a blog hop, so head through the link in the description below and you will have a chance to win some prizes, and that's if you're here in May 2018. So I look forward to seeing you there, and don't forget to head over to the other blogs. There is some amazing creations. Till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.